So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these ARRA inspired, I guess these are like crocodile skin nails. So yeah, this is what the finished product looks like, and I'm gonna show you guys how I got to this point. So to start off, I'm using my McCart nails. These are the natural colors, so they're not clear, but it doesn't really matter because you're not gonna see it. Like, I'm painting over the whole entire nail, so that is not a problem. So to start off, I got all my nails onto my little, I don't know what I call this, my nail holding thing, and then I put my mounting putty underneath. That's the blue underneath it, so that my nails stay in place. And then first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buff the entire nails just to start off with a good foundation to work with, so that everything goes on smoothly. And everything I'm using in this video will be linked in the description, as well as my press-on nail business, Pressed by Serenity. So you guys can go and check that out as well. Also make sure all this stuff is secure on here. Okay, now that once each nail is buffed, whenever the nails first come, there's always like this extra piece of nail on the tip of it. So I'm just gonna take my nail file and just take that off as well. And then I'm just gonna take my brush. This is actually a makeup brush I got from, I think it was Claire's from a while ago. And I'm just brushing off the extra debris. Don't need any of that on here. And then I'm going in with my foundation. And all of the polishes I'm using, they're all Beetles gel polish. So we're just going through with the nice layer. I actually need to get some more because this is running low. I'm just gonna pop it into my UV light for between 30 and 90 seconds. So I'm just gonna pop that in, and then we're gonna be right back. Okay, so now they're done in the UV lamp. I also did just want to point out, it's very important that you make sure the nail polishes you use and the UV light that you are using, they are compatible. Because I noticed when I first got my UV light, I don't know what brand it was, but I was using the Beetle polish, and it was just crinkling up, like shriveling up. It wasn't drying, it just wasn't working, and I had no idea why until I found out that those two different things were not working together. So the UV light I have now is also Beetles, the same as the nail polish. So you really have to make sure that your products actually are working together. So now I'm going in with my 965 Beetles gel color, and I'm just using this as my base. And for this nail, design in particular. I think I'm just gonna go through with one coat because that's what I did with the other set, and it came out looking pretty good. So make sure you just brush it on at all different angles so that you get all the corners and stuff. Okay, so now that I have that done, this one coat is just fine. So I'm just gonna put this in the UV lamp again, probably for like 60 seconds. Yeah. Well, I had to take those gloves off because they were just kind of just getting in the way of everything. But now I'm just going in, putting down my foundation or your base gel. Normally you would use builder gel, but I haven't gotten around to buying that yet. So this is just what I'm gonna be using. Not gonna cure this coat. We're just gonna leave it like this. And then we're going to go ahead and add on because there's like black stuff on here. We're gonna go and add on our brown, which is in 996, and we're just going to put this right here. And then we're going to take our long skinny flat brush. This came in a kit, so I don't know like the exact name of this brush, but if you get the kit, you'll you just see it and be like, ah, there it is. Okay, so what I'm doing is now we're actually going ahead to create the pattern. So we're just going to take a good amount of the polish, and we're just going to dot it on there. Like that. And then the sides are going to be smaller than the middle. Ooh, my hands are shaking so bad. And again, we're just making the middle bigger than the sides. And for the sides, we're making sure it goes all the way down to the side of the nail. It's kind of hard for me to see this right now because of the ring light. And then what the base gel or the builder gel, whatever you're using, what it's going to do is it's just going to have the nail polish, well, the gel polish, spread out very, very nicely. This might be easier if I just do it one by one. And then before you pop any of these back into the lamp, you're just gonna let it like kind of spread out a little bit, like how it is on the top. I don't know if you guys can really see or if it's too much light reflecting or not, but sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna just set that to the side and we just move on to the next one. And then we're just going to put some more of the brown right there. And we're just going to keep doing the same thing. This is the thumb that was sitting there for a minute, and it kind of it's a little bit unfocused, but you can see it kind of spread out a little bit. So now we can go and put that into our UV lamp so it can dry, so it will stop spreading out. So we're just going to be adding them in one by one. So while I'm doing this one, I just have this one sitting on the side to like kind of spread out a little bit, and then once I finish this, I pop that one in, and just so on and so on. This is actually like so easy. You just have to have like the right tools and, you know, patience. I would say a steady hand, but I low-key feel like I have arthritis because my hands be shaking. But you know. Alright, y'all, so now I finished all the nails and they're looking real good. You know, like you could see the crocodile type of pattern going on. You see me? But we're not gonna stop here because this is like giving us two-dimensional type of views, right? I'm gonna try, well, I'm not gonna try, I'm going to. We're gonna make this 3D. So what we are going to do is we're going to take our Top It Off gel coat and we're just going to put dots where the dark brown is to kind of like make it pop a little bit. So that's all we're doing, is just adding drops. So you would normally use builder gel for this part, but again, I don't have builder gel right now. So the regular top coat is what we're working with. You just have to work fast with this so that it doesn't spread around too much. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, and now we're just gonna pop this right back into our UV lamp for about 60 seconds. And this is what they are looking like, guys. These look so good in the 3D.